Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to change ringtone in realme narzo 50A prime phone. So let us start our video. You have to see here we already have realme mobile phone and there was many more different app icons shown in your mobile phone. You have to see here. Firstly, you have to move up and see there was many more different app icons shown in your mobile phone, and different icon plays different function in your mobile phone. You have to see here. So you have to firstly click on that setting icon. So click on here, click on that setting icon. After that, you have to see there was many more different app icons shown in your mobile phone. You have to see here. So if you want to change ringtone in your mobile phone, so you have to firstly click on the sound and vibration option. Here you have to see, so click on here. After clicking on here sound and vibration option, you have to see many more option in your mobile phone. Then you have to choose the sim number first on which you want to change ringtone in your mobile phone. I have to choose sim 2 ringtone, so click on here. After that, after clicking on sim 2 ringtone, you have to see this type of icon in your mobile phone. If you want to change ringtone, so you have to choose ringtone from here which you want to change. Firstly, play ringtone. You have to choose any ringtone. I want that one, click on that. Now click on the back option, ringtone is changed in your mobile phone like that. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.